What's up everyone? Want to make a baked pasta that's crunchy like this? So let's get to cooking. For the process, we'll take a pack of spaghetti and boil it in a pot of water. Now, avoid breaking the spaghetti as it is meant to be eaten by twirling it around on fork. While the spaghetti is boiling, we'll take a diced onion in a pan with some olive oil. And with that, we'll add the minced meat in it for cooking. You can take the meat of your choice, such as lamb or beef. These are the spices we'll add to the meat. So a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, and finally a teaspoon of turmeric powder. To make it more juicy, we'll add a cup of water to it. But you can adjust it as per the meat. Like if your meat seems dry, add water, or if it has more water, then simmer it. Okay, so now let's prepare the white sauce for spaghetti. For that, we'll take a couple of tablespoons of flour and some olive oil. I personally prefer olive oil, but you can use butter if you like. After mixing them for a bit, we'll add a cup of milk to it. Keep in mind that don't just mix it all away. Pour the milk slowly with continuous stir. For perfect and smooth texture, whisk it continuously. It avoids forming lumps in the sauce. After a while, add half teaspoon of black pepper to the white sauce to make it more flavorful. A teaspoon of salt and some soy sauce. I would recommend adjusting it as per your taste. We got some mixed herbs which we'll add to the sauce. And of course, I know it's perfect, but we'll taste it to make sure every ingredient is in correct quantity. We'll add the boiled spaghetti to the white sauce once it's ready. We'll get back to the cooking minced meat and add a can of tomatoes to it. You can add some fresh tomatoes in it too if you like. We'll increase the flame and continue to cook it. With addition of finely chopped garlic and ginger. We'll add a pinch of cumin seeds along with some red chilli flakes. We'll give it a final touch by garnishing it with fresh parsley. I'm taking a casserole dish to bake my pasta. For the base, we'll add the white sauce spaghetti. Then our cooked minced meat and we'll surface it properly. A whole lot of mozzarella cheese for the top layer. You can take both mozzarella and cheddar if you like. Finally, some sliced tomatoes. We'll toss it in the oven and bake it till our pasta is crispy. Just listen to this crispy sound of our baked pasta. And there we have it, folks, crunchy and creamy baked pasta, ready to enjoy. I would recommend trying this at home. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it. And if this recipe helped you, consider subscribing.